What if I told you there is a video platform where you can upload your very first video today and you start earning immediately? You don't have to wait. You don't have to struggle to reach certain numbers before you see a single penny. Just your content earning for you from the very first day. I know a lot of creators out there are working really hard right now, trying to hit certain milestone of watch hours, subscribers, and even follower count on some various platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok before they can even qualify to monetize their content. And while that journey is absolutely worth it, the truth is it takes time, sometimes a lot of time. And during that waiting period, you are just creating content, putting in the work, investing your time and energy, but not earning anything from it yet. And that is exactly the gap that Rumble feels today. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Rumble is, how much you can realistically earn on it, what kind of content is working right now, and whether it is even genuinely worth your time and energy. Because I am not here to just point you to any platform. I am here to make sure that whatever you put your time into actually delivers real results for you. If you are new here, welcome. This channel is all about helping creators like you and me grow, earn, and build something real online. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications because this is the first video in the complete step-by-step Rumble series. Every single video build on the last one. You don't want to start from the middle, okay? All right, let's get into it. What exactly is Rumble and why is everybody suddenly talking about it? Rumble is like YouTube, but without all these heavy rules and restrictions that makes it difficult for new creators to get started and earn money. The experience is very familiar if you have ever used any video platform before, but the rules of the game are very different, and that difference is exactly what makes it exciting. I think it's important we all know the story behind what we are about to join. Rumble was founded in 2013 by a Canadian entrepreneur named Chris Pavlovski. This guy had a very clear vision from day one. He looked at how the big video platforms were operating and he felt that creators were not being treated fairly. Too many rules, too many restrictions, too many requirements before you could earn a little penny. And he thought there has to be a clear and better way. So he built Rumble with one simple and powerful idea at its core. Give creators a platform where they can share their content freely, earn money without jumping through endless hoops, and actually feel supported rather than restricted. And for years, it was growing quietly in the background while everyone focused on the bigger platforms. But over time, more and more creators who felt frustrated with the direction other platforms were going started moving to Rumble. And that quiet little platform that started with one man's idea has now grown into something that you and I are going to take full advantage of today. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking right now. This sounds good. Is it even big enough? Let me put your mind at ease with some real numbers. As of 2026, Rumble has 52 million people using it every single month, and the platform just crossed $100 million in annual revenue for the very first time in its history. On top of that, it's a publicly traded company listed on the United States stock market. That means it's regulated, transparent, and serious about its future. And it's still a growing platform, which means right now is one of the best time to get it before it become as crowded as every other platform out there. Let us talk about the difference between Rumble and YouTube when it comes to earning as a creator. On most video platforms, you have to meet certain requirements before you can earn a single penny. We are talking about subscribers count, we are talking about watch hours, we are talking about followers. On Rumble, none of that applies. You upload your very first video today and that video is eligible to earn money from the moment it goes live. Now, let's talk about the money itself. On Rumble, creators keep around 60% of their ad revenue. That means for every dollar your content earn, you are taking home the bigger share. And when it comes to how much you earn per view, Rumble pays creator anywhere between $2 and $10 per 1,000 views, depending on your content and your audience. That is just a range, and that can add up very quickly once your video starts getting constant views, okay? Here is the thing that really separates Rumble from every other video platform: the content freedom. There are types of content that can get restricted or demonetized on other platforms, but earn freely on Rumble. Rumble is significantly more relaxed about what earns and what does not. And for creators who have ever had a video demonetization for reason that felt completely unfair, that alone is a massive deal for you. Now, let's talk about what kind of content is actually doing well on Rumble right now, because this is something a lot of people get confused about. Currently, the biggest content on Rumble is news, political commentaries, talk show, and independent media. Those are the creators who got there first and built the largest audience on this platform. Rumble is not all about that alone. Educational content, tech tutorials, social media tips, personal financing, health, fitness, and even lifestyle. All of these niches are widely open on Rumble right now with very little competition. And you know, in the content world, low competition is actually a massive advantage for the smart ones. You know that, right? Coming in with something different right now works in your favor because you will immediately stand out. The only real requirement for me is that make it good. Make it worth people's time, because quality content wins on every platform, no matter what. I want to be completely honest with you because that is what this channel is all about. Rumble is a very great opportunity. Like every platform, it has its weakness and you deserve to know them before you invest your time. The first thing is content distribution. Rumble reach is still significantly smaller than the bigger platforms, so do not expect your videos to spread as widely or as fast as they might elsewhere. That is just the reality of a younger platform. The second thing is discovery. Unlike platforms that actively pushes your content to new audience, Rumble's algorithm mostly show your content to people who already follow you. As a new creator, that means building an audience here takes more deliberate effort. You cannot rely on the platform to do the work for you. 3. The audience is still heavily dominated by news and political content creators. If your niche is different, it will take a little more time to find your people on this platform. And finally, payment options for African creators are currently limited. We are going to address this in details in a later video in this series, and I will show you exactly how you can work it out to be able to verify your account, because that was exactly what I did. So yes, Rumble has real limitations. The creators who show up early and stay consistent are the ones who won. You may have watched other creators saying you can post anything on Rumble. Please do not do that. By all means, avoid copyrighted content completely. I'm talking about using someone else's music, reposting videos of other creators, or uploading watermark content that was downloaded from another platform. Do not try it. This is not something I'm just making up. Remember when YouTube, Facebook, and even TikTok were not very strict about copyright? Creators were using popular songs freely, reposting viral videos, downloading content from other platforms and re-uploading it to another. And nothing seems to happen. It felt fine until it was not. I know personally what it feels like to shoot and edit just one single video. The time, the planning, the energy, the editing, it is real work. So imagine pouring all of that into building a channel and then losing everything because a platform decided to enforce its rules more strictly. That is pain I do not want anyone to experience. Rumble is still a growing platform, but as more and more people discover it, and as it continues to expand globally, its policies will surely tighten up with time. That is just how every platform works, or even any business. You cannot stop that from happening. What we can control is making sure that from day one, your content is 100% yours. That way, nobody can touch your channel. So my advice is that create your original content, protect your effort, and build something that truly belongs to you, okay? When it comes to music, I know that is one of the biggest challenge for creators who want good background sound without breaking copyright rules. You do not have to spend a lot of money or stress about it. There are several AI tools available right now that can generate completely free royalty music for your video. And if you want me to make a full dedicated video showing you the best free and paid music tools available for creators right now, please drop it in the comment section below and I will make that video specifically for you. I want to be honest with you, especially if you are creating content from the African country. The location of your viewers affects how much you earn. Advertisers pay more to reach audience in countries like the US and UK. So if most of your viewers are local, your earning will sit on the lower end. So this is how digital advertising works on every platform worldwide. The goal is to create content that attracts global audience, and we will cover exactly how to do that later in this series. Now, beyond ads, Rumble has other ways for you to earn. One is licensing, where Rumble sells your viral videos to major media outlets and pay you from it. 2. Direct tip through Rumble Wallet, where viewers send you money straight while watching your videos. 3. Viral bonus. That can range from $1,000 to $100,000 for truly high-performing videos. And finally, as your channel grows and you qualify for the Creator Partnership Program, your revenue share can go all the way up to like 90%. It depends. That means for every dollar your content earns, you are keeping 90% of it. And there is a fifth way to earn that I almost forgot to mention. That might be the most exciting one for those of you who love connecting with your audience in real time. And that is going live on Rumble. When you go live, your viewers can tip you directly through Rumble's wallet while you are streaming. One last thing though, do not expect a huge earning in your first month. Building income on any platform takes consistency from what I know. But what makes Rumble special is that you are earning something from day one while you grow. Every video you upload is an asset working for you round the clock. And that's everything you need to know about Rumble before you get started. You now have the full picture, and trust me, most people jump on it without knowing half of what you just learned today. Now, the next step is creating your account and setting it up correctly from day one. And that is exactly what the next video covers. The link is what you are seeing on the screen right now. Tap on it and let's keep going. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share with any creator who you think might need to see this. I will see you in the next one. Bye.